Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use Unitree's superhuman robot mode. Sometimes it is called the attack mode in simple step-by-step terms. So this guide will help you understand what it does, how to activate it, and what to be careful about. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. So first of all, we need to understand what superhuman robot mode actually means for the Unitree robot. So this is the high performance control setting that lets the robot move faster and with stronger actuators than in the normal mode. It is designed for the advanced mobility tests, demonstrations, and research use and not the casual or unsafe operations. So first of all, before activating any of the high speed modes, make sure that the area is clear of the people, pets, and the obstacles. This mode increases the power, so you need enough space. Now, Unity robots are controlled via the dedicated remote or a companion application on your device. So you can open the control panel and ensure that your robot's firmware and the softwares are up to date. Inside the application or the control interface, you can find the robot mode drop down. You will see the options like standard precision or superhuman or the attack mode. So select the superhuman mode. The robot may prompt you to confirm that you accept the responsibility and understand the risks. Always read the warning before proceeding. Once it is enabled, the robot's gait and the actuator responses become significantly more dynamic. You might notice faster strides, higher jumps, and the stronger torques, more aggressive balance adjustments. So this mode is ideal for the advanced demonstrations, mobility stress tests, and simulation environments where quick, powerful actions are required. So once you are done, switch back the standard mode before walking away or using the robot in closer to proximity to the people. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.